Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best glass wipes is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who wears eyeglasses, uses a camera, or has any kind of lens that needs to be kept crystal clear, as smudges and fingerprints can significantly impair vision and ruin the clarity of your photos and videos, making them a must-have accessory for maintaining pristine optics in everyday life and for professional use. Number 5. CareTouch Lens Wipes. Introducing CareTouch Lens Wipes, your go-to solution for crystal clear vision. These pre-moistened wipes are designed for gentle yet effective cleaning of all your optical devices. Each wipe is individually wrapped, ensuring maximum freshness and convenience. Perfect for on-the-go use, you can keep a pack in your bag or car for quick touch-ups anytime. Whether it's your eyeglasses, sunglasses, or camera lenses, these wipes are safe and effective. They leave no streaks or residue, just a perfect shine every time. Measuring 5 by 6 inches, these wipes offer ample cleaning surface. Their portable design makes them easy to carry, ensuring your lenses are always clean, wherever you go. Get a generous supply with 100 individually wrapped wipes in each pack. Experience the convenience and quality of CareTouch Lens Wipes for all your cleaning needs. What we like. These wipes come individually wrapped, making them perfect for on-the-go. If you need a gentle yet effective clean for your eyeglasses, these are a great choice. They are ideal for anyone who values convenience and portability in their lens care. What people say. These wipes are individually wrapped, making them convenient for on-the-go use. They effectively remove smudges and fingerprints from my lenses, leaving them crystal clear. The wipes are gentle on my glasses and do not leave any streaks or residue. Number 4. CareTouch Lens Wipes. Introducing CareTouch Lens Wipes, your perfect solution for crystal clear vision. These wipes are designed to gently and effectively clean all your optical devices. Each wipe is individually wrapped, ensuring maximum freshness and hygiene. This makes them incredibly convenient for on-the-go use, wherever you are. Whether it's your eyeglasses, sunglasses, or camera lenses, these wipes are safe and suitable for all. Achieve a streak-free shine every time. With 210 wipes in each pack, you'll have plenty for extended use. Enjoy great value and consistent quality for all your cleaning needs. Their portable design means you can easily carry them in your pocket or bag. Cleaning your lenses is now quick, easy, and hassle-free. What we like. Get more cleaning power with this larger count, still individually wrapped for freshness. If you use lens wipes frequently and want a good value, this option is for you. It's perfect for households or individuals who need a reliable and gentle cleaning solution in larger quantities. What people say. These wipes are individually wrapped and portable, making them convenient for on-the-go cleaning. The wipes effectively remove smudges and fingerprints from eyeglasses, leaving lenses crystal clear. They are safe to use on various lens coatings, including anti-reflective and anti-fog treatments. Number 3. CareTouch Lens Wipes. Introducing CareTouch Lens Wipes, your perfect solution for crystal clear vision. These individually wrapped wipes make cleaning your eyeglasses a breeze, wherever you are. With a generous count of 400 wipes, you'll have a fresh, pre-moistened wipe ready whenever you need it. This ensures you always maintain a smudge-free view. Our formula is designed to be gentle on all your optical devices, including camera lenses and sunglasses. It effectively removes smudges and dirt without leaving streaks. Each wipe is perfectly sized at 5 by 6 inches, making them incredibly portable. Slip them into your pocket, purse, or backpack for quick cleaning anytime. These wipes aren't just for eyeglasses, they are ideal for cleaning camera lenses, sunglasses, and other optical devices. Keep all your important lenses pristine with ease. Never compromise on clarity again. These pre-moistened wipes are always ready to restore the shine to your lenses, ensuring optimal performance and visibility. What we like. This is the best value option, offering the most wipes in a single purchase. If you're looking for the most economical way to keep your lenses clean, this is it. It's ideal for heavy users or families who want to stock up and ensure they always have wipes on hand. What people say. These wipes are individually wrapped, making them convenient for on-the-go use. They clean effectively without leaving streaks or residue on lenses. The wipes are designed to be safe for all types of lens coatings, including anti-reflective and anti-fog treatments. Number 2. ZEISS Pre-Moistened Lens Cleaning Wipes. Keep your lenses crystal clear with ZEISS Pre-Moistened Lens Cleaning Wipes. Designed for effective and gentle cleaning, they ensure optimal vision. These wipes feature a 70% alcohol solution, perfect for removing smudges and grime. They provide a thorough clean every time. With a generous count of 250 wipes, you'll have plenty for all your cleaning needs. They are conveniently packaged for easy access. Achieve a streak-free shine on all your delicate lens surfaces. Our formula is designed to leave no residue behind. These versatile wipes are ideal for eyeglasses, sunglasses, and other optical lenses. They are a must-have for maintaining your eyewear. Trust the quality and performance that ZEISS is known for. Ensure your lenses are always clean and clear with these reliable wipes. What we like. With 70% alcohol, these wipes offer superior disinfection for your lenses. If you need a powerful clean that also sanitizes, this is the product for you. It's best for those who prioritize hygiene and want to ensure their eyeglasses are not just clean, but also germ-free. What people say. These wipes are individually wrapped, making them convenient for on-the-go use. They effectively clean smudges and fingerprints without leaving streaks. The wipes are gentle on lens coatings and do not cause any damage. Number 1. ZEISS Pre-Moistened Lens Cleaning Wipes. Experience unparalleled clarity with our specially formulated cleaning wipes. They are designed to effortlessly remove smudges and dirt, ensuring your lenses are always pristine. Our wipes provide a gentle yet powerful cleaning solution for all your lenses. They are safe to use and leave no streaks or residue behind. Keep your lenses spotless wherever you go. These pre-moistened wipes come in a convenient pack, perfect for travel or everyday use. With a generous count of 200 wipes, you'll have a reliable cleaning solution for an extended period. Enjoy long-lasting performance and value. Trust in the renowned quality of ZEISS for your lens care needs. These wipes embody our commitment to optical excellence and user satisfaction. What we like. This option provides an effective, alcohol-based clean in a convenient count. If you're looking for a reliable way to clean and disinfect your lenses without an overwhelming quantity, consider this. It's a solid choice for individuals who want a balance of effectiveness and manageable supply. What people say. These wipes are individually packaged, making them convenient for on-the-go use. They effectively clean smudges and fingerprints from eyeglasses without leaving streaks. The wipes are designed to be safe for all types of lens coatings, including anti-reflective and anti-fog treatments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.